Hi there, welcome to MacTech.edu. If you are thinking of doing research and you are not sure about what to do next, you are in the right place. In this video, you will learn basics about research which is required to get started with innovative idea that's present in your mind. So let's get started. What is research? Research basically involves with several stages and we'll see the same one by one. The very first stage is identification of the domain, which is nothing but area selected by the researcher for the study. It can be broad in the initial phase, however you can narrow it down at later stage in order to derive topic of research. The second stage is all about observation of the domain selected to identify the need and generate questions concerned to the domain. Let me tell you that critical observation is always essential for better research, and rethinking based on the previous step is also equally important in all the stages of work. In the third stage, you need to feel the pain of the stakeholders of your domain, which in turn in unsolved problems and issues faced by them. Fourth stage is to analyze the problem and propose most appropriate solution for the problems faced by the stakeholders. And as mentioned earlier, rethinking based on previous step seems essential at all the stages of work. In this research, priority is very essential part to derive novel and best solution to the problem. So literature analysis will help you to understand the fundamental and recent advances related to your domain. In the initial phase, you may need to collect and refer lots of material, and this goes on scissors along with the completion of the intended research. However, it is a continuous process and you will have to remain acquainted with latest update of your topic. That is very much important. Documentation part is also very much essential in any research. As shown in the bottom triangle, in the initial phase of the research, very little work on document part is needed. Then it goes on increasing towards the completion of the work. In the documentation, research proposal is required to prepare first, which is showcase overall flow of intended work. You may need to study lots of research paper in order to prepare review papers based on prior art study. Next, synopsis submission, which is an essence of your work just before the final part. This is submission that includes all the information from selection of the domain to the solution of the work carried out. Now you can think and propose the solution for the selected domain to cultivate innovation in you. Just go ahead and all the best. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please press like button, and if possible you are also requested to share the same, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such updates.